How to recover your X or Twitter's account password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover or find your Twitter's account password. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your X.com or the app. Now, once you are on your X account, you'll be on your login page. So just tap on login. And then here you'll just have to provide your email address or phone number. So if you don't remember your email address or your password, just go ahead and click on Forgot Password option. And then here you'll have to enter your email address, phone number, or username. You don't necessarily have to remember your username. You could just enter your email address. Now, once you enter your email address, go ahead and type on next. And then here they will send you a confirmation code on your email. So once you get the code on your email, let me just check on my Gmail app. So here I've gotten this password reset request. So what I'm going to do is copy this code right here and paste it on my X app. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on copy and then paste it right here. Now tap on next. And once you have done that, here you have an option to enter your new password, and then you should be good to go. So that's how you reset your password of your X or Twitter. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.